Major controversy that has broken out in West Bengal over BJP leader Dilip Ghosh's comments. Heading out at Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, the BJP MP has remarked that the TMC leader should now decide on who her father is. Now, he made these comments claiming that Mamata sometimes claims to be Goa's daughter and other times she says she is Tripura's daughter. Now, the Trinamool Congress, on the other hand, has condemned these remarks and said that they will be approaching the Election Commission. And the TMC is also slamming the BJP, asking if this is the Nari Shakti that they talk about.
বাংলা নিজের ভাইপোকে চায় বিহার ইউপি থেকে দিদি গিয়ে গোয়াতে বলেন আমি গোয়ার মেয়ে ত্রিপুরায় আমি ত্রিপুরার মেয়ে মানে বাপ তো ঠিক করুন যাত্রার মেয়ে হওয়া ঠিক নয়।
पश्चिम बंगाल के दुर्गापुर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के प्रत्याशी दिलीप घोष जी जो मेदिनीपुर में पहले खड़े हुए थे, अभी उनको दौड़ाकर दुर्गापुर भेजा गया है। वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन से तो भूग ही रहे हैं। जिस तरह का बयान उन्होंने ममता दीदी के खिलाफ दिया है कि ममता दीदी अपने पिताजी का पहचान दे, इस तरह का वक्तव्य हमारे देश के परंपरा में महिलाओं के प्रति हमने कभी नहीं सुना।
Being proven beyond doubt again and again that Bharatiya Janata Party has no respect for women, and particularly the only woman chief minister of the country. She is being heckled like this by none other than past president of BJP and a present candidate, Dilip Ghosh, raising the question of her ancestry, like he raised the question of Ma Durga's ancestry. Nobody actually believes him. He is shameful.
Adrija is joining us on the broadcast for more details on this. Adrija, looks like with the elections fast approaching every single day, the political discourse seems to be stooping even lower. Help us understand what exactly was the context of what Dilip Ghosh said and also how's the TMC reacting to this?
Absolutely, you see that what the Dilip Ghosh have claimed, the comments that Dilip Ghosh have made is absolutely shameful and is being condemned by the TMC. That is what the TMC is saying, because the TMC questions about the Nari Shakti narrative that the BJP says, and the TMC have also come out and have mentioned that this only proves the mindset of the BJP, because candidates are being made, people like Dilip Ghosh and Pawan Singh are being given ticket by the BJP, and they are being made candidates who not only doesn't respect women but also especially does not respect the women of Bengal, the Bengali women, and that is what the TMC is claiming. On the other hand, Dilip Ghosh have come out and have mentioned that there is nothing controversy regarding the comments that he has made, and Dilip Ghosh also mentions that he has just asked for clarification from Mamata Banerjee, because sometimes when she is campaigning in Goa, she says that she belongs from Goa and sometimes she belongs from Tripura, and therefore these comments are being definitely condemned by the TMC, and at the same time the TMC have also now said that they will be approaching the Election Commission regarding the comments, because the model code of conduct is already implemented, and such comments coming in also the TMC will be approaching regarding this the Election Commission, and they will be filing a complaint against Dilip Ghosh for making such shameful remarks against the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.
All right, Adrija, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there with all those details.